All right, Carl's Garage quick video. I'm not gonna show you guys a full install or whatever how to do this. I'm just gonna do it the fastest way because my wife needs a radio and she hasn't had one in a very long time. So it's a 2012 Toyota Camry. I have a 10.1-inch new Android Auto Apple CarPlay screen. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. It's pretty simple. You just remove this, you remove this. These two things right here just kind of pop out like these little clip things. My gloves are actually slipping, so take this off, pop this thing up. This thing slides out. There's a screw here, a 10mm screw here. Gotta pop this out, 10mm screw here, 10mm screw here. Then the whole thing pops out. Pretty simple. I'll show you guys here in a second. All right, so like I said, this right here, this stupid thing here in the middle took a lot longer. Trying to squeeze it out of here, but outside of that. So while in here, I will be cleaning up all this. Got it done. Gonna do, where is it? That one, I think it's this one right here. I don't think it's that one back there. I think it's that one back there. There's another one right there. And then that one, and that one. Then this whole unit will come right out. All right, all the bolts are out. Things should just, yeah, it's gonna take a second. It should just, yeah, there we go. Take a couple of hands. There we go. There we go. There we go, buddy. If I broke something, it'll be all right. This one is broken anyway, so. All right, I'm gonna yank this full thing out, take all the things out the back, and start preparing the other one to get installed because I have to put a backup camera in this thing too. All right, that's it, we got her out. Unplugged all that right there. Put this baby around, very simple. I've seen this, I have my Honda Accord right there. It's a lot more difficult. Toyota makes everything super simple. So got this baby out. I don't need any of this. I don't have to transfer anything over. That's just kind of cool about this. I don't even know where the hell to put this thing. Guess I'll put it right there. Yep, so keep that down. This is how it looks. Got that baby out. Only took me about 20 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna go take out the new one, lay everything out on the counter, and then see what I have and see if I have everything, because I don't think I have enough cable to run the backup camera, but we'll see. All right, guys, so this is the 10-inch one that I got. So I'm inside, gonna break it out, lay everything down, see what we got. All right, so I got the old radio, the new one. That's what they look like next to each other. And again, there's the vents. The vents go here, vents go here. And then these are all the things that go with it. It does come with instructions. I'm gonna do it the best I can. Because I know I'm pretty sure that the backup camera needs a fuse. And I don't see one in here whenever you plug it up to turn on and off with the car. So, and we also got another, this is for the radio. I don't ever plan on using that. But maybe it might be for, I don't know. I don't know how this thing, whatever it uses to receive signal, maybe it needs that. So I'm gonna go ahead and read these instructions and try to put this back where this was. All right, something that I haven't seen on any other YouTube video or TikTok video is you do have to separate this, the AC unit from this to this. And you gotta start by removing these clips, and you gotta make sure that you put them in correctly. So the top one, the fat part goes in, the bottom one, the fat part goes out. You have to make sure you do that identical to how you pull it off. It takes a little while. I had to use a flathead to kind of pop this part out, slide it up, pull on the unit, and then keep leveraging this, and then it finally does come loose. And then I have to pop off all these and put them onto these. I ran into a little snag, but I was able to figure it out. So this, I don't know if I put my hand behind it. This piece right here looks like this over here. And the unit wasn't able to sit flush. Wasn't able to connect because, you know, it's from China, so chances are it's not perfect. So they made this piece too high. So this part would go down and clip in, this part wouldn't. So I just had to make a little modification. Boom. Now this and this match. So now when I put this on, this, it will want to slide down. All right, so after that little modification, everything clipped right in. Just had to, again, cut these little things off. Now, she's all set down here at the bottom. Now yeah, she'll actually sit upright like that. Look at that. Now again, this does cover. What's cool about these guys is this company, I'll leave a description down below. Or I'll leave a link in the description down below. You guys can go check this thing out. Yeah, it's a little scan. And it takes you right to a YouTube video to help you how to install it. So that's what Carl's Garage here, show you guys the behind the scenes of stuff that you normally don't get to see anywhere. So everything turns good. I don't have to worry about anything clicking in. So I get to keep all my old school functions, which is pretty cool. Which I liked all of this. Everything here worked, so there's no reason to have to replace that. We're just doing the radio. It's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the wiring on the back. All right. We got this baby work. I'm gonna go home. This is the thing. I don't know if this music is copyrighted, so I'm gonna go ahead and play it, but it plays. Now what's not working is this. I'm not able to turn it up here or down. These aren't working, so I gotta figure that part out. But what's pretty cool is if we come over here, and I've already connected it to my phone, we can type in, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. Or if you're watching this on TikTok, hit that follow button. D-A-R-A-G-E, Carl's Garage. Let's see, we pop up. The response is pretty good, and I have gloves on and the screen is on. So let's go over here to Carl's Garage. Let's watch one of my videos. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. I got the volume down and we're able to watch YouTube. I don't know if you can, I'm pretty sure that you can watch it while you drive. Oh. Let's turn that down. Oh, I'll pause that. Oh yeah, there we go. You turned it down. Let's skip the ad. There we go, Carl's Garage. That's so cool. So I don't know why that skip is still up. It looks like that it is loading. Okay, so it is taking a little while to load for a few pieces, but yeah, I am able to. Let's see if we can hear myself. Sounds good. Playing through. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I have to button all this up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that follow button. But yeah, I have to button all this up, and I don't know. I have a bunch of stuff. I still got to figure out this backup camera. I'm pretty sure it doesn't work. I don't know how to hook that up. I might just pay somebody to hook that up perfectly. But as far as the radio working, it does work. Sound, I just got to figure out this part and this part, but yeah, she's good to go. Stay tuned for the next video. My daughter, and today I need to change this specific, very unique plug. I actually have never seen this before.